professional tour guide and well-arranged itinerary allow you to fully appreciate the attractions inside the castle. It is worth participating. Explore the enchanting Prague Castle with a local guide, meeting at Malostranská metro station near Mánes Bridge. A tram transports you to the castle, where headphones connect you to the guide's insights. Witness Street. Vitus Cathedral's Gothic beauty, adorned with gargoyles and Alfons Mucha's art Nouveau-stained glass. Delve into history at the old royal palace, standing under Vladislav Hall's grand vaulted ceiling and discovering the chamber linked to the Defenestration of Prague. Visit the Basilica of St. George, with 12th century frescoes and St. Ludmila's remains. Wander through the Golden Lane's historic cottages, once home to goldsmiths and notable figures like Franz Kafka, offering a glimpse into Prague's working-class life beneath the castle's shadow.